Planning to study in the UK? Not sure how to apply for a student visa? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the UK student visa process for 2023. Navigating the visa application process for international students can seem like a daunting task. But worry not, because we're here to break it down for you, making it as simple and straightforward as possible. From the initial application to the final decision, we'll cover every step you need to take. This important knowledge will not only save you time, but also help you avoid common pitfalls along the way. Remember, understanding the process is the first step towards achieving your dreams of studying in the UK. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's unravel the mysteries of the UK student visa application process together. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of the step-by-step process to apply for a UK student visa. First and foremost, it's important to know if you're eligible to apply for a UK student visa. Now, let's dive into the basic eligibility criteria. You must be at least 16 years old to apply for a student visa. For those between 16 and 17, there's a separate child student visa, specifically for studying at independent schools. Another key requirement is that you must have been accepted into a course in the UK. This is crucial, as the length of your stay is largely dependent on the duration of your course and any previous study you've completed in the UK. Do keep in mind, if you're already in the UK on a visa, you should apply for the new student visa before your current one expires. Plus, your new course must start within 28 days of your current visa expiring. The visa fee and healthcare surcharge are also part of the eligibility criteria. The amount you'll need to pay depends on the duration of your visa. Lastly, certain higher education courses may require an Academic Technology Approval Scheme certificate, so be sure to check if this applies to you. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, you can move on to the application process. Now that you know you're eligible, let's dive into the application process. The first step in your journey towards studying in the UK is to prepare all the necessary documents. This includes your passport, proof of your financial ability to support your studies, and a confirmation of acceptance for studies from your educational institution. Remember to have all your documents translated into English if they are in another language. Once your documents are ready, you'll need to apply for your student visa online. This involves filling out a detailed form that includes personal information, details about your course of study, and any previous study or work experience in the UK. Be sure to answer all questions honestly and accurately. Next comes the payment part. Along with the visa application, you're required to pay a visa fee and a healthcare surcharge. The visa fee varies depending on the duration of your visa, while the healthcare surcharge is a mandatory payment that gives you access to the UK's National Health Service during your stay. Timing is of the essence when applying for your student visa. It's crucial to apply before your current visa expires, and your new course must start within 28 days of your current visa expiring. This timing is key to ensure a smooth transition from your current status to your new student visa, and remember, this is just the beginning. There are other steps you'll need to take, such as attending a visa interview and providing biometric information. It's also vital to keep up to date with any changes to the visa application process, as these can sometimes occur without much notice. These are the initial steps you need to take, but there's more to the process. Continuing from where we left off, let's discuss the next steps in the application process. After you've completed the initial steps of verifying your eligibility and gathering necessary documents, your journey towards acquiring a UK student visa moves forward to the submission phase. Here, you'll need to send your application through the appropriate channels. Be meticulous here, as a single error could potentially delay your application process. Following the submission, the next step is to attend an appointment. This is a crucial part of the process, where you may be asked to provide additional documentation or clarify certain aspects of your application. It's a good idea to prepare for this and treat it as an opportunity to make a solid case for your application. Now, once your appointment is successfully completed, you enter the waiting period. This is the time when your application is being reviewed and a decision is being made. It may feel like a long wait, but it's important to remember that this is a standard part of the process. Typically, the decision on your visa application is expected to arrive within 3 weeks. However, this timeline can vary based on a multitude of factors, so it's wise to allow some leeway. During this time, it's essential to keep an eye on your communication channels to ensure you don't miss any updates or requests for additional information. Respond promptly to any queries to prevent unnecessary delays in the process. Remember, while the application process can seem daunting, it's a step-by-step journey. Each step you complete brings you one step closer to your goal of studying in the UK. Once these steps are completed, all you have to do is wait for your application to be processed. So, that's the UK student visa application process in a nutshell. We've discussed the eligibility criteria, emphasizing that you need to be at least 16 years old and enrolled in a course of study. We've walked through the application process step by step, covering everything from when to apply before your current visa expires and within 28 days of your new course starting, to how long you can expect to wait for a decision, usually within 3 weeks. We highlighted the importance of paying the visa fee and healthcare surcharge, the possibility of having dependents join you, as well as the potential for work opportunities depending on your study program and term time status. We also touched on the Academic Technology Approval Scheme certificate, which may be required for certain higher education courses. Remember, extensions are possible, but any breach of visa conditions can lead to future restrictions. Keep your personal and financial information secure, and don't hesitate to provide feedback on your experience. We hope this video has clarified the process for you. Good luck with your application, and we hope to see you studying in the UK soon.